So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So we have to prove that the value of this determinant is equal to this x plus y plus z whole cube. Okay, you can clearly see the sum. Okay, so I am starting the solution. Watch it carefully. So LHS, left hand side is equal to this one, x minus y minus z 2y 2z 2x y minus z minus x 2z 2x 2y z minus x minus y. Clear? Okay. Now what will we do? We will operate in this way. So this is another rough page. We will operate in this way. R1, this row 1 will replace R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. So see the sum, we will replace R1. This is the row 1. First element of row 1, second element of row 1, third element of row 1. Clear? We'll replace this row 1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So what is the first element of row 1? X minus y minus z. So we'll replace the x minus y minus z plus 2x. Okay. Sorry, this is the row 1, first element of row 1, second element of row 1, third element. So R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 will replace R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. To x minus y minus z plus 2y plus 2z plus 2y plus 2z. So this will become x minus y plus 2y is plus y, minus z plus 2z is plus z. So it will be x plus y plus z. So it will be x plus y plus z. Okay. The second row will remain as it is, 2y. Third row is also as it is, 2z. This is the second element, 2x. Okay. So what will you replace? 2x R1 plus R2, 2x plus y minus z minus x plus y minus z minus x plus 2z. So it will be 2x minus x is x, y means plus y, minus z, 2x minus x is x, y, then minus z plus 2z is plus z. Okay, so again it will be x plus y plus z. The second will remain as it is, the second row, y minus z minus x, then 2z. Then the third element of first row, 2x. Third element of first row, 2x plus 2y plus R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus z minus x minus y, z minus x minus y. So 2x minus x is x, 2y minus y is plus y plus z. Okay, so this will be again x plus y plus z. The second row will remain as it is, 2y, z minus x minus y. Okay, so what will you do now? Achha, here you have to write operating means replacing R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, So now we will take out this x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z will take out. So what will remain? 1, 2y, 2z. Okay, 1 y minus z minus x, 2z, 1 2y z minus x minus y. Okay, so now what will we do? X plus y plus z, and now we will operate in this way. We will operate in this way. So this is the done. Okay, now we will operate C2 as C by, we will replace column 2 by C2 minus C1. Okay, okay, so what is the first element of column 2? 1. So 1 minus C1, 1, as in column 1 was also 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so here column 1 will remain as it is, 1 2y 2z. Okay, we will replace column 2 by C2 minus C1. So it will become 0. Achha, this will become second element of column 2, y minus z minus x minus 2y. The second element will be y minus z minus x minus 2y. So y minus 2y is minus y minus z minus x. Okay, so it will be this one, column 2 minus column 1. It will be minus y minus z minus x. So minus y minus z minus x. Okay, now third element of column 2, C2 minus C1. Third element was 2z. So third element was 2z. 2z minus 2z is 0. So third element is definitely 0. Okay, okay, and now we will replace C3 by C3 minus C1. Okay, as we have replaced column 2 by C2 minus C1, we will replace C3 also, C3 minus C1. So first element of column 3 is 1, C3 minus C1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Second element is 2y, C3 minus C1, 2y minus 2y is 0. Then z minus x minus y minus 2z. So third element is z minus x minus y minus 2z. This is the z minus x minus y, first column is 2z. Okay, the third element of first column is 2z. So z minus x minus y, say there is z minus x minus y. Okay, so it will be minus z minus x minus y. Okay, here we have to write operating C2 by C2 minus C1 and C3 by C3 minus C1. Okay, you have to write. Then what will you do? We will x plus y plus z. Then we will expand this determinant by first row, as there are two zeros, so we will expand this by first row. So 1, this will be minus y minus z minus x, 0, 0 minus z minus x minus y. The other two are zeros, so no need to write. So this will be, here you have to write expanding by R1. We have expand this determinant by row 1. So it will be x plus y plus z into 1 into minus y minus z minus x into minus z minus x minus y. Then there are two zeros, so no need to write. So it will be x plus y plus z. Okay, into minus, I will take common, x plus y plus z. I can write like this, into minus 1 into again x plus y plus z. Okay, so x plus y plus z, minus minus will become plus, so it will be x plus y plus z whole cube. Okay, so this we are asked to prove, x plus y plus z whole cube you have to prove. So we have proved this, minus minus will become plus, and x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z is become cube, is equal to RHS. Proved. Clear? Thanks for watching.